I'm currently using my Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'm using my 10 times video zoom, just so you guys can really see sort of the aggressiveness of the wheels, because close-up doesn't always do justice. So I will straighten out the wheels before I end this video so you guys can see what everything kind of looks like. Right now I have the wheel kind of cranked, so it kind of just gives you guys an idea. So new wheels are on, and I'm in love. I love the look. It complements the Raptor look that I've been going for, and it was just time to ditch the whole, lip idea. So let's get closer here. I'll do a nice little close-up. But yeah, like right off the bat, I'm super stoked about these wheels. Like I said in my previous video, it gets dark so fast. I'm coming straight from work, and it's really unfortunate, but I mean, they just look awesome. And it's very, very strange. So, and I don't know if you guys agree or not. They're a 20-inch wheel, but with kind of how big that lip is, it makes it almost look like an 18. Like, it makes it look so much more beefier and so much more aggressive. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So, like I said in the previous video, because this lip is so big here, and then there's less room for the sort of spoke design, it just makes the whole step look a lot chunkier almost, and a lot beefier, and I'm super excited about that, and I think it complements the overall look of the truck really, really well. So you can see sort of like, like now that we're not in the 10 times zoom anymore, it doesn't look as aggressive anymore, right? So, but yeah, just Vortek, you guys killed it, man. And the only thing I have to do is figure out my lug nuts and what lug nuts to go with. So currently I went with my, oh, that is hilarious. I actually didn't even realize that. So I twisted this lug. That's one way of doing it when you think about it. So I got the cap. There's two sets of screws so you can turn the cap, and I'm covering my lug nut holes rather than these holes that have nothing going to them. But you know what? Like, that is an idea that you can do. If you don't want to show off your lug nuts, you can still have the holes from a different lug pattern exposed, and there's nothing in it. So if I go over this wheel here, I'm assuming I didn't make the same mistake twice. There you guys go. You can see the lug nuts there. So I still have to get lug nuts, and I might get ones that stick out just a touch past the rim. I'm not going to do the spikes or anything like that. Don't worry about it. It's just going to be a bit of a longer lug nut with sort of the hollow center. And I just got to figure out what kind of color, more or less, I'm going to go with, and maybe just stay with the black, but maybe we can contrast it with something. Since there's not a lot of color on the truck, I mean, anything would kind of look good at this point. So 20 by 10, minus 18, Vortex Off-Road VRP 504 wheels. And I got the diamond cut, the black diamond cut, so it has the bit of gray in the spoke. It's very hard to see right now, but when the sun hits it just right, it really shines and it really brightens it up. So just a very stealthy sort of look. I want to see if I can kind of try to capture that gray a little bit here, but you can kind of see it there. But overall, just a very, very, very aggressive look. And we're into that season where the truck is just going to be constantly full of dirt and mud. We're in that, in between of snow and it melts, and it snows and it rains and it melts, and everything's just a big mess right now, unfortunately. So, and I got a little bit of cleaning up left to do on the wheels. There's still a sort of that goo left over from when they put the tires and the wheels on, so I didn't do a very good job cleaning that off when I washed the truck. I guess I missed that part. But let me quickly straighten out the wheels. We'll go further back again. You guys can kind of see sort of how aggressive it looks with just the wheels being straight, as that's what most people see when they're driving by you. All right, so we're standing way back again. I'm sorry about the quality, guys. I'm using the 10 times zoom on video, which isn't always the best. It's better on photo. But just to give you guys kind of an idea of how aggressive the minus 18s are. And just, yeah, it looks awesome. And the 305 5520 tires just really really complement everything. And I'm glad I changed the tire, because I don't think the radars would have complemented the build very well, complemented the wheels very well, I should say. But this feels like a whole new truck to me, and I'm beyond excited. I'm beyond excited about the new look, and like I said, like I really wanted to go with that sort of Raptor sort of look for the longest time. And obviously you can tell by the grill and how I have everything kind of just blacked out, you know, light bar, grill, the hood lights and all that kind of stuff. So, and the wheels were just sort of the cherry on top. So just so you guys can kind of see how everything looks. So very stoked. And I can't thank Vortek Off-Road enough for partnering with 50 Nation and sort of making this all happen. But if you're in the market for new wheels, make sure you guys check them out for sure, because it's only the tip of the iceberg. They have so many nice wheel designs, and like I said, brand new company formed in 2023, so they have a lot more to offer, a lot more to come, and yeah, just doing wonders for this truck right now. So we'll keep it short and sweet. I just kind of wanted to show off the wheels quickly. And for those of you guys that want more information on it, we did an unboxing in the last video, so you guys can kind of go check that out. A little bit more detail, a little bit more closer up on the wheels. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys quickly kind of what everything looked like. Now that they're on, the tires are a little bit beefier than the last one, rubbing a little bit more than I did before, but we're not going to do any trimming. I pride myself on, you know, the build the way it is and not having to do any cutting or any sort of scabbing like that. You know, a lot of people are all right with cutting and all that stuff, and I don't have an issue with it, but if I don't have to, I don't want to. So we're gonna leave it like that for now. And thanks again, Vortek Off-Road. Thanks Apex Truck Customs for getting the tires on such short notice. And thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.